we go.
Oh, bless you.
Hey, Milo.
Evidently, when you put that temp rope, this
Can you
doesn't like
put a
it.
pillow over the kid? How come he's so quiet? He's
He's in
muffled.
like a little interview.
He doesn't like that.